Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about sample test project which was given for district zonal skill competitions for skill electronics. It was released on December 2017 for 2018 India Skills district level competitions. Here a table of contents where you can find preface, test project, marking scheme, infrastructure list, instructions to the candidate, health and safety, environment. In this video, I will talk about test project only. In the test project, everything is given, how the skill is explained, what you have to do in the skill, and the eligibility criteria, the total duration of the task. And in the test project, the task A, which is schematic design, I will dig deeper into schematic design in this video. And there are 60 minutes given for this task to complete. In this task, you have to complete the design according to the requirements given in this test project. You can use only components from the part list which is given in your design. You may not use all the components in the list. So here is the introduction about the test project or the project you have to design schematic for. You have to make an electronic circuit in which there are 8 LEDs in circular pattern and they should be glowing one by one in sequence with a time difference of 0.5 seconds. A circuit must be designed using components provided in the given list. Components other than the list will not be provided. The LEDs are in this circular fashion. Here is the block diagram of this test project for you have to design the circuit. You will also get one piece of paper with an incomplete sheet in incomplete circuit where you will find some components are lying there and all some values are missing and some component may not be there and some uh, and some ground and some power supplies will be missing. So what you have to do in this test project, you have to design a 5-volt power supply. You will be given with 12 volt. You have to design a 5-volt power supply and a stable timer circuit, and you have to do the shiftings using 74164 IC, and you have to design initial pulse as input circuit. Let's go to the part list given for this test project. Here we can see lots of ICs and lots of components, resistors and capacitors are given here. We may or may not need all these components. So I will directly jump to the schematic design and I'll first design inside I inside by side I have opened the block diagram and in left in right side I have opened the circuit. Okay, let's just design the power supply section of this. In power supply section we have to do some connections in 12 volt. The 7805 IC is very famous IC for plus 5 volt regulated power supply. This is a very famous, this is the IC from very famous series 78 series. So I will just do the connections. V in will be connected directly to the 12 volt power supply and ground will be connected to ground. And these capacitors are used for filtration in order to remove all the pulsating DC or noise. And this here the LED is used for indication purposes. We use bulk capacitors here for filtration. The resistor value I'll put okay, just take a look at the just take a look at the part list and select one component, select the resistor value. The resistor for this will be a 330 ohm resistance. Okay, I'll give this value 330 ohm. Okay, now I will simulate for my purposes, and just don't forget to connect ground. Okay, I'll simulate this if this is working or not. This is working, the LED is glowing, our this part is successful. Now I will move to the other section, which is astable timer, which is designed through 555 timer IC, and I will go to the 555 timer IC's datasheet for this and directly jump to the detailed description where the astable operation of this IC is given. So now I will just connect according to this diagram here. So pin number 8 is connected to RA, which is R1 here, and pin number 6 and pin number 2 are connected together, and pin number 4 is connected to pin number 8, and pin number 8 and 4 are connected to 5 volts. I'll take the 5 volts here. Okay. And the output should be connected to the clock of 74164 IC. The formula for frequency calculation is given here, which is 1.44 divided by RA plus 2RB into C. We have to calculate the value of C and R here. I'll go to the test project and find which resistance and capacitors will be used. First choose the capacitor. I will choose 0.47 microfarad, 0.47 microfarad, and I have calculated resistor values for these resistances, which is 510 kilo ohm. You can put your own calculated values here. You can put your own calculated values here, which may or may not be given in the part list. You could ask your competition organizer for this week that you can put your own calculated values here or not. Just connect ground to the ground, and this astable section is done. Now just move to 74164 IC and shiftings of this. So I will give the values of this R10, R9, R10, R9, R4, R3. So there are plenty of 1 kilo ohm resistances available here. I will just put 1 kilo ohm here because we have to choose from part list only. And 1 kilo ohm resistances easily drive LEDs. I'll give values to each component. I have given all the values to this component, and now I will go to the block diagram and design this initial pulse as input. So when the okay, let's go to the data sheet of 74164. When the 74164 starts, all the inputs are low by default. So from here, this will be low, and this is NOT gate. So we will get 5 volt here if 0 is applied, and connect this to 5 volt and ground and emitter to ground. So we have successfully created this initial pulses input block, and for 74164 we require this clear bit to be high all the times in order to function it properly. I will connect this to power or 5 volts. Now our work is finished. I'll just simulate it. Okay, this okay, this is looking very fine, and this is working accordingly. We This is working accordingly, but the issue here is the resistances values are little high. So I'll put my own values. You can use 1K resistances if you are given for LED, if you are plenty of them to drive LEDs. No need, because here the simulation is not working. I'll use 330 ohm resistances and this will work fine then. The software is designed accordingly, you know. Okay. Now this works fine. So all the LEDs are moving as required. All the LEDs are working as described in the test project. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you have got any question, you can comment down below. Thank you.